Good morning. Welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. I am Erica. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm glad to see you here. Today we're going to be opening my May base box for Boxycharm. This is $27.99 a month, I believe. It comes up to about $30 out of your checking account with tax, at least in Texas. So this month's theme is Super Bloom. It's purple. I love purple. And it's got this little card on the back that tells you what's all in it. So we are going to start with the first thing on top, which is Skin Ink Supplement Bar Serum Glow Filter. Looks like this in the box. And, oh, that's pretty. It's got a little pump on it, and it's got all these little gold flake looking things in it. Okay. It says a unique serum with rare gold hibiscus extract that acts as a makeup base to smooth even skin tone and helping provide brightening and anti-aging benefit. It also helps pores be less visible. Use 1 to 2 pumps before makeup. Alright, now I do believe I had a skincare thing that had hibiscus in it that was supposed to help something with something else, with like the hyperpigmentation. Gotta prime it. Okay, there we go. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It is clear. Kind of feels moisturizing. No scent that I could smell, so that's good. We'll have to try that one day on as a primer. Alright, and that says it is $50. So we are going to put 50. Okay. Next thing is Liquid Velvet Lipstick. I have no idea who that is. Cosmetic Cream Liquid Velvet. Unlike any other lip color you've ever seen, this Liquid Velvet lipstick is the product you need to add to your makeup kit. Formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long-wearing, make a unique statement and fashion-forward vibe. That is very pink or mauve. I'm not sure I'm going to use this color, so I'm not going to open it, so I could put it in a giveaway if I need to. That is going to be MSRP of $22. Alright, we got to put that over on the back. No, we'll put it over here. Okay, next we have is Base Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. This eyelid primer formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look. Shop Basic Beauty. Looks like this. So it's a little squeezy tube. It's got hemp seed oil in it. And I don't know if I need any eyeshadow primers because I honestly don't use them. But it says MSRP $18, so we will add the $18 to our total. Okay, and then now we have the Ciate London Dewy Blush. Dewy Blush is next gen gel balm tint blush that is set to shake up and refresh. What color did I pick? I think I picked, it says coconut. Did I pick coconut? Yeah, coconut. I picked coconut because I like the, okay, Dewy Blush leaves subtle hint of color that apply to your cheek, blending effortlessly into modern glass-like sheen, formulated with natural extracts of yuzu, dragon fruit. Blush brightens your base, leaving your skin an even, healthy flush of color. MSRP is $22. Smells good. I'm just trying to even it out. It does feel very sticky. I'm going to have to use this and see if I like it. It's not sticky, not the word I was looking for. Okay, it dried down good. I'm just wondering, like, did I get the wrong color? It shows up better on this, like, right here than it does on the camera. I don't know. We'll have to look. Maybe I should have got a different color. Alright. Glossy cheek tint. It does gloss, that's for sure. Alright. This is the MSRP is $22, so 22. Alright, and last but not least is Pharmacy Honey Glow Body. This is a body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin, eliminate bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow. MSRP is $40. $40. So, I think it's closed, which is good. Yeah, it's closed. We're going to leave it closed because I'm currently using something. But I am looking forward to using this as well. So totally our box was $152 in value, which is really good considering, like I always say, I only pay about $30 for this. And even if I give away 99% of the items, I'm still getting my money's worth or what have you, because I'm giving it away to you. So it's stuff I didn't need to buy individually for a giveaway. If you don't have a channel or do giveaways, they are awesome. You know, if you get something and you're like, oh, I only like this. Well, I didn't get my money's worth. Well, technically you did, because everybody has a woman in their family. Everyone has little kids in their family. And skincare can be used for men or women, unless it says women, formulated for women. So you can give them away, like put them up, have a box ready for a gift. A coworker has a birthday or a bachelorette party or like even a baby shower. I mean, I remember at my baby shower I got some towels and some socks for me and I felt so good. So imagine just taking, you know, like a little bag and putting like the bag, you got all the stuff for the baby and you just stick like a moisturizer in there for her. That's the thought, right? Anyways, I love the price, $30. So technically if I go with the $30, this box gave me an added value of $122 beyond my $30. So to me, it's a good deal. So I will see y'all in the next one, and I hope you have a wonderful week.